Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up SuperFollow on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already hadn't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom right corner, we have everything about your profile. We have messages, we have the plus button where you can add your own content. We have the Explore and the For You page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up SuperFollow. So at this stage, at the moment, only a small group of verified creators can set up the SuperFollow subscription. Approved creators can find the application entry on their profile pages or in the homepage sidebar. Monetization, please stay tuned as we gradually open the application for all creators to apply, of course. Click the application entry, then set the subscription price, write a special message for subscribers, then submit the application, and their operation staff will provide the audition feedback within 24 hours. Then at the end, publish your content and select SuperFollower. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, and then guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.